Today, we're exploring the dynamic world of medicine balls, versatile tools packed with benefits for full-body workouts. Are you looking to add a new piece of equipment to your workout routine? Look no further than the medicine ball. This versatile piece of equipment offers a variety of benefits for your fitness journey. Firstly, let's talk about the different types of medicine balls. You have your standard medicine ball, which is a solid, weighted ball. Then there are slam balls, which are designed to be thrown to the ground with force. And finally, there are wall balls, which are meant to be thrown against a wall. Each type of medicine ball offers unique benefits. Standard medicine balls are great for traditional medicine ball exercises like Russian twists and overhead slams. Slam balls are perfect for explosive movements like ball slams and wall throws. And wall balls are great for full-body exercises like squat throws and wall ball shots. But what are the benefits of using a medicine ball in general? For starters, they can help improve your coordination and balance. The uneven weight distribution of a medicine ball forces your body to stabilize itself during exercises, which can improve your overall balance and coordination. Medicine balls also offer a great way to add strength training to your routine. The weight of the ball provides resistance during exercises, helping to build muscle and increase overall strength. Another benefit of medicine ball exercises is the cardiovascular workout you can get. Many medicine ball exercises involve explosive movements that get your heart rate up and provide a great cardio workout. And finally, medicine ball exercises can be a fun and engaging way to switch up your workout routine. With so many different exercises to choose from, you can keep things interesting and challenging for yourself. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, consider adding a medicine ball to your routine. With its versatility and benefits, it's sure to be a valuable addition to your workouts. Thank you for watching. For more information, please check in my description below. Have a great day.